angel stood with flaming sword at Eden's darkened gate. The frightened family faced a world now filled with Satan's hate.
These fallen children God so loved were lost in fear alone. Now love would spare no cost to bring them home.
Love found a way, love found a way, and our hearts can hold the price love chose to pay. All hope was gone till Easter's dawn. We are free because love found a way. One nation rose to bring one man a virgin would conceive. A man who died then rose with life for all who will believe. For every child of Adam's race who longs to leave despair, the road that leads us home to love is there. Love found a way, love found a way, and our hearts can hold the price of